Hello guys and girls, welcome to all of you in this new videos in which I'm going to talk about the two pairs which I have forecasted and which is the top look I have for the next week. So that I thought that I was shared with you. Uh, if you haven't watched my last video in which I talk about the things which I have forecasted for the week ahead, these are playing very well in the market. But right now I have two opportunities in which I'm going to talk about. First, you can see this in a chart, which is GPSD. First of all, if you are new in this channel, definitely subscribe this channel because every week I put lots of videos in this channels in which you can trade and you can learn from that also. So if you like this video, definitely subscribe the channel and let me start with it. If you look at this, this is the GPSD. GPSD, this is a daily time frame in the GPSD, and in a daily time frame structure, the price is moving into the sideways channel structure. You can see this. This is a sideways channel structure in which the price is moving currently. And what I'm expecting is that this is a breakout. You can see that the price has break in a daily time frame structure. The price has break the level, but this is what this is a mass psychology over here. You can see that lots of time what happened when the price break the price action structure. We are thinking that it will take some correction and it will move down. This is what we are thinking, and this is also a part of the probability. It can happen also. If it will take correction and break the lower of the structure, then there's a higher possibility it will move down. But what if you're a new trader, you have sold this, you have already sold this, and you maybe you will make loss on that also, because what is this? If you look at this, this is a reversal structure the price is making, and because we are at the high value area, there's a higher possibility that the price will take some correction. And as you know that we call it as a mass psychology. Those who are selling at the low and buying at the high, this is where most of the get trapped. And in every video I share this is what is important. So what I'm looking for, if you look at this, this is a 4 hourly time frame structure in which the price is clearly moving into the downward channel structure. And in my last video, I was told to you that the price will have to move up from this level. But what happened? Price moved down. I did not get any kind of confirmation to get entered because I was waiting for any kind of flag entry over here. If the price moved up at this level, take some correction, and then it moved down, this is a good level to enter for us. But what happened? The price is break. That's why we did not get entered. And right now, this is one of the best peak I have for the next week. For the entire week, you can look at this up to this level. Price has breaked already, but what we are assuming over this point is that if the price will take some correction at this point, which is currently taking, but I will not going to trade at this level. I will wait for the price to get entered into the structure again. So this is a daily time frame structure. If within 1 days or 2 days the price again come back to the structure, it will again come back to the structure, then there's a higher possibility that it will take some correction at this point and then it will move up. So this is what I'm thinking in GPUSD. GPUSD is one of the best look you can look for, and this is not I'm assuming. This is all I have traded again and again in my trading life. So you can see this. The price is taking some correction. Wait for the price to come into the structure back again. Once it will move up to this level, wait for the price action structure to entry. After breaking this level, you can get entered into this trade, and this is going to be a super trade. This will be a reduced risk entry setup. As you understand that reduced risk entry setup is what we take risk at very low at this level, because after getting the confirmation, we have to keep our stop loss low of that correction. So this will be a suitable setup for the GPUSD for the next for the week ahead. And the second thing I'm going to talk about, which is NZD USD, Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar is also at the super level. You can see this, we are getting good level of correction at this point. The price action structures, you can see this is also moving into the sideways channel as GPUSD is moving, and we also break at this level. But what is this? In a daily time frame structure, you will see that in today we will get closing above the structure, which will means that the prices get into the structure again. Price again will back to the structure, which is sideways channel. And if you look at this in a 4 hourly also, this is also moving into the side downward channel structure. So once it will get back to the structure, wait for the confirmation to get entered. And this is what I'm assuming right now. This is not. If you look at this, the price has also break the reversal structure. You can see this, the price has also break the reversal structure. So what I'm assuming right now, I'm assuming that it will take some correction at this level. Correction is very important because to get entered at this level we have to wait for the confirmation to get entry. So if we'll take any kind of correction at this level, this will be a good setup for going long in this. And the price action structure is very good. You can trade this in this structure also. Risk stop loss will be below this structure. The stop loss will be little higher in this because this is a high value area, and in the high value area we always have to keep our stop loss. We should have to give room to our stop loss so it can move. So this is the two setups which you look for, and this is a quick video I have recorded for you because lots of my traders means in my YouTube channel was asking about me about the trades and all, current trades and all. So this is what I'm looking for. GPUSD, it will take some time to execute, it will take some time to develop. It is in a developing mode, developing zone right now. After taking the confirmation, it will definitely going to go up. And the second thing, which is NZDUSD, which is also at the very good high value area, we have to wait for the price action breakout to get entered. Either it will be a flag or any kind of price action breakout which give you a confirmation to get entered. So these are the two things which you have to look for, and these are the superb. Let me just talk about one more thing, which is NZD. KVN. KVN is also very good area. You can look this. The price action structure is very clear in NZD also. That's why I'm thinking that the NZD because it is a correlation of NZD it will also move up. That's why NZD is very good at the current level to buy. So you can see this, the price is moving to the downward channel structure, and we have good taken a good correction, impulse correction. We should have to get entered at this level, and this is also a good time to take enter into this level, but this is a good structure to trade also. So these are the three things you can look for, and ZDJPY and ZUSD and GBUSD. These are the three things you can look for the short for the next week. Sorry, long for the next week. I hope you like it. And if you find any other price action structure and something else, definitely let me know in a comment. Then I can understand what you are thinking also. So thank you for watching this. And if you are new in this channel, if you like this video, definitely subscribe, because every week I put on videos in this channel, and you're going to love and you're going to get lots of value from that also. Thank you.